Hello friends, how are you all? Hope that you all are fine. So in today's video lecture we are going to learn about the major abiotic factors. So you know that the four major abiotic factors are there. First one is temperature, second one is water, third one is light, and fourth one is soil. So these all four are one type of abiotic factors, and you know that these all abiotic factors are very much important in the formation of different type of biomes. And you know that these abiotic factors play significant role for the different type of lifestyle or different type of behavior of the living organisms. In last video lecture we had completed the question organisms and its environment. In last question we had talked about the 6 different type of biomes. You will remember all 6 names. First one was desert, second one was grassland, third one was about the tropical forest, fourth one was about the temperate forest, fifth one was about the coniferous type of forest, and last and sixth one was about the Arctic and alpine tundra type of biome. And you know that the major biomes of India were tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, desert, as well as sea coast. So in this video lecture we will talk about the first major abiotic factor, which is known as temperature. See, these all four abiotic factors are very important according to view of board examination. Okay, so these all four questions are very important. In this video lecture we are going to learn about the first abiotic factor, which is known as temperature. So for this question we will use the same method of easy language notes. So now see the title, major abiotic factors, and first one is temperature, which is most important question. First point, it is the most important environmental factor in ecology. So according to view of ecology, temperature is an important factor. Okay, so underline this, blank is an important factor. The answer will be temperature. Point number 2, we can say that we know that the average temperature on land varies seasonally. So it means in different type of season, different types of temperature will be there. It means in all season temperature will not remain same. Temperature will be different in different type of season. Point number 3, for example, point number 3 is very much important. See, temperature decreases progressively. So here we are talking about the decreasing of temperature from the equator region towards the pole. It means if we go to the pole region from equator region, okay, temperature decreases progressively, as well as from plains. Okay, from plains means from grounds to the mountain tops. If we go to the mountain tops from the plain region, then temperature decreases progressively. It means, see, here we have two different type of conditions. First condition, if we go to the pole region from the equator, and second condition, if we go to the mountain tops from the plain regions, then in both condition, in both direction, temperature decreases progressively. So you will remember this both. Now see, point number 4, we can say that the range of temperature is also different. Okay, so temperature will be different in different type of area. For example, first see the first example, it will be in minus in the polar region. It means we can say that in some countries or in some polar regions temperature will be in minus. It means minus 20 or minus 5 or minus 10 or minus 12. Point number 2, temperature will be greater than 50 degrees centigrade in the tropical desert region in summer season. Okay, so two different type of examples are there. Okay, see the first example. In first example, the place is what? Place is polar region, while in second example, place is what? Place is desert. So see, both places are located in different region in our earth. So because of their location, temperature of both region are different. It means we can say that the temperature will be in minus for the polar regions and temperature will be higher than 50 degrees centigrade in tropical desert region in summer season. Point number 5, we can say that so many unique habitats are also found. So now we are going to talk about the so many unique habitats. For example, we can say that thermal springs as well as deep sea hydrothermal vents where the average temperature is more than 100 degrees centigrade. So underline 100 degrees centigrade is one liner question or the MCQ. It means, again, if we revise point number 5, so many unique different type of attractive habitats are found on our earth, like the thermal springs and deep sea hydrothermal vent. Underline this word, deep sea hydrothermal vents, where the average temperature is what is higher than 100 degree centigrade. So we can say that the first page of this question is completed. So again we are going to revise this first page. Okay, point number 1, we can say that temperature is the most important environmental factor in ecology. Point number 2, temperature is not constant, it is not similar in every season, but temperature will be changed seasonally. Point number 3, we can say that if we go from equator towards the pole and from plains, means from grounds to the mountain tops, temperature decreases progressively. See, point number 3 is most important MCQ. Point number 4, the range of temperature is also different. Like we have two different type of locations, we have two different type of area. First location or the first area which is located in the polar regions, while second location or second area which is located in the desert region. So for polar regions temperature will be in minus, while for the desert region in summer temperature will be more than 50 degree centigrade. Okay, and point number 5, so many unique different attractive habitats are also found, like thermal springs as well as deep sea hydrothermal vents, where average temperature will be higher than 100 degree centigrade. So underline 100 degree centigrade is the one liner question, and deep sea hydrothermal vent is also one liner question. Okay, now see next one, point number 6, we can say that, see we have three examples. So we can say these three examples are one type of organisms. See, first organism is a plant which is known as a mango plant, means a mango tree. You know that the mango trees are found in special type of forest. Okay, so mango trees do not and cannot grow in temperate countries like Canada and Germany, because you know that the temperature will be very lower in Canada as well as Germany, because these both are found or located in the temperate region. So mango trees are not found in countries like Canada and Germany. But important thing is that this both name you will remember, Canada and Germany are one type of temperate countries. Okay, so it will be asked in MCQ like this, find out the temperate countries, and answer will be Canada and Germany. Okay, so first point, again we can say that mango trees do not and cannot grow in temperate countries like Canada as well as Germany. Second point, we can say that, second example, if we talk about the snow leopards, see the word leopards, but snow leopard, it means the leopards found in a snow region. Actually this type of snow leopards are found in the Himalayan region, you will remember. Now only some species or the some individuals of leopards are there. Snow leopards are not found in Kerala forest. You know that the snow leopards are not able to live in the particular region of Kerala like the forest found in Kerala. Now see point number 3, we can say that if we talk about the tuna fish, tuna is one type of fish. rarely caught beyond tropical latitudes in the ocean. It means it is not found in this particular region because this fish is not going to cross its boundary. So three examples are there and you will remember all three. First one is about the mango tree, second one is about the snow leopard, and third one is about the tuna fish. Again, mango tree do not and cannot grow in temperate countries like what and what, like Canada as well as Germany. Point number 2, if we talk about the snow leopards are not found in forest of Kerala state, while tuna fish is not going to cross its boundary, means it is not able to caught this fish near the tropical latitudes in the ocean. Okay, so the first part of this question is completed. Now see, if we talk about the second and most important part, see, the first point is very much important. Temperature is very important for living organism because it affects the kinetics of enzymes. So now we have the new word, you know that the kinetics of enzymes means mechanism of enzymes, and you know that the enzymes play significant role in each and every cell of each and every organism. So you know that the so many biochemical processes as well as metabolic processes are going to occur in each and every cell of our body. So enzymes are required. You know that even for the process of digestion, enzymes are also required, which are known as digestive enzymes. So temperature is very important for the kinetics of enzyme. It means you will remember kinetics of enzymes is directly connected with temperature. So because of this, we can say that it will directly affect on A and B. A is what? A is metabolic activities and B is other physiological functions of the organisms. So you know that the enzymes are very important. It means you can say that without enzyme, metabolic activities are not going to done or are not going to be performed. Okay, so enzyme is directly connected with the temperature. So in a particular temperature, enzyme will work. So if enzyme will work, then process will be done or process will be completed. So you will remember three things here. First thing is what? Temperature is connected with blank, kinetics of enzyme. It is MCQ. Second thing, connected with metabolic activities, and third thing is connected with physiological function of the organisms. So these three are the MCQs from this first point. Now see, point number 2 and point number 3, we have two different type of definition. So first definition is about the euthermal organisms and second definition is about the stenothermal organism. So in homework you will write 5 times this both definitions. Okay, so it is also asked like the differences between euthermal as well as stenothermal organism, but in your textbook only definitions are given. See the first point for the euthermal, the organisms can tolerate and thrive in a wide range of temperature are known as euthermal type of organisms. Again, the organisms can tolerate and thrive in a wide range of temperature, means the organisms which are able to survive in wide range of temperature are known as euthermal type of organisms. If we talk about the stenothermal type of organisms, the organisms cannot, underline, cannot tolerate wide range of temperature but are restricted to a narrow range of temperature. Okay, these are known as stenothermal type of organisms. For example, we can say that, see, for euthermal organism, see the one word is used which is known as wide range. It means if we have organism A, so if organism A is able to survive in -5 degrees centigrade as well as it is able to survive in 10 degree as well as it is able to survive in 45 degrees centigrade. It means see, -5 up to 45 degrees centigrade, it is a one type of what? Wide range of temperature. So if organisms are able to survive in a wide range of temperature, these organisms are known as the euthermal type of organisms. Okay, and if some organisms, for example organism B, it is not able to survive in a wide range, for example organism B is able to survive between 25 degree centigrade and 35 degree centigrade. So it is one type of narrow range of temperature and it is known as stenothermal type of organisms. So again, two definitions are there, eurythermal and stenothermal. You will remember eurythermal means able to survive in a wide range of temperature. Stenothermal means not able to survive in a wide range of temperature but able to survive in a narrow range of temperature. So this page is completed. Total 3 main points are there. Okay, so first point is about what is first point is like this: temperature is directly connected with what kinetic of enzymes, and because of it will affect on metabolic activities as well as other physiological functions of the organisms. Then two definitions are there of the eurythermal and stenothermal organisms. You remember, eurythermal is equal to wide range of temperature. Stenothermal means restricted, okay, narrow range of temperature. So this page is completed. Now see the last point. We can say that the level of thermal tolerance of different species determine to a large extent their geographical distribution. It means the meaning will be like this. In short, we can say the meaning of point number 4 will be like this: according to temperature. According to temperature, the external feature means external geographical distribution of animal will be determined. Okay, according to what? According to temperature. According to what? According to temperature, the external means geographical distribution of organism will be determined. So this question of temperature is completed here. Now we will read this question from your textbook. Okay, so again I am saying that so many MCQs are there and you will underline the main points and main words. Okay, so temperature, it is the most important ecologically relevant environmental factor. Underline this, it is one liner question. You are aware that the average temperature on land varies seasonally. Underline varies seasonally. Decreases progressively from, now most important point, from the equator towards the poles and from plains to the mountain tops. Okay, it ranges from sub-zero level in polar area. Underline sub-zero level in polar area and high altitudes having greater than or more than 50 degrees centigrade in tropical desert in summer. So underline sub-zero in polar region and more than 50 degrees centigrade in tropical desert in summer. These are, however, unique habitats like thermal springs and deep sea hydrothermal vents. Underline deep sea hydrothermal vents where average temperature exceed 100 degrees centigrade, means more than 100 degrees centigrade. Underline in deep sea hydrothermal vent the temperature will be more than 100 degrees centigrade. It is general knowledge that C3 animals are there. Mango trees do not and cannot grow in temperate countries like Canada and Germany. But important thing is that Canada and Germany both are one type of temperate countries, means located in a temperate region. Second example, snow leopards are not found in Kerala forest. Third one is tuna fish are rarely caught beyond tropical latitudes in the ocean. Means this tuna fish will not cross their limits of their particular habitat. You can appreciate the significance of temperature to living organisms when you realize that it affects the kinetics of enzyme. Underline temperature affects the kinetic of enzymes, and through it means with the help of kinetics of enzyme, first one is metabolic activities and second one is physiological function of organisms are also affected. So because of kinetic of enzyme, two things are affected. First one is what? First one is metabolic activities and second one is physiological functions of the organisms. Now see the definition of the eurythermal and stenothermal. A few organisms can tolerate and thrive in a wide range of temperatures known as the euthermal type of organisms. Underline definition. But a vast majority of them are restricted to a narrow range of temperature are known as stenothermal type of organisms. The levels of thermal tolerance of different species determine to a large extent their geographical distribution. It means because of their temperature variation, the external geographical location of organism will be determined. Okay, now see some last points. In recent years, there has been a growing concern about the gradually increasing average global temperature. You know the global warming is that. Okay, you will learn about the global warming in chapter number 16, but you know that the average temperature of our planet Earth is going to increasing day by day. Okay, so if this trend continues, would you accept that distributional range of some species to be affected? Yes, so it is possible that so many species can be affected because of this temperature increasing. Okay, so you will remember, it is again, according to me, it is most important question, so you will remember this question. Okay, so it is the first major abiotic factor which is known as the temperature. So this question is completed here. Thank you very much.